Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing essentials. Install Unity Hub and the exact editor version your project uses, and install Git plus Git LFS so large assets track correctly. Next, configure Git user, name and user, email, and enable Git LFS for common Unity file types. Clone the empty GitHub repository into a clean project folder, then copy or open your Unity project there. Once done, stage a precise Git ignore and project settings to avoid library noise. This prevents huge commits and merge chaos. Now you configure the repo for Unity specifics. Add a Unity optimized Git ignore and a Git attributes file that lists scenes, prefabs, and binary assets for Git LFS. Then run git add on project settings and assets, but ensure library, temp, and obj are excluded. Commit with a clear message like initial Unity project commit. Finally, push to origin main or your chosen branch. This ensures collaborators get a clean, reproducible project state without binary bloat. To finish, adopt a collaboration workflow. Create feature branches, pull before you edit, and use pull requests for merges. When merge conflicts occur in scenes or prefabs, open Unity to let it deserialize files and resave them. This resolves many YAML conflicts. If Git LFS files are missing or corrupted, run Git LFS pull and then re-import assets inside Unity. One key troubleshooting tip: if something breaks, reset the working copy. Run Git LFS fetch, then reopen Unity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.